In 2023, SME across Southeast Asia submitted over 300 billion US dollar in invoice to buyers. Within 90 days, 40% of those businesses face a cash flow gap that froze operations. Not because the invoices were fake, because the money exists on the paper, but not in their accounts. And banks move in months, not days. Invoice payment cycles move in weeks and months. Business operating costs move in days. That gap is where SME die waiting for money they have already earned. What the market needs is instant, trustless liquidity backed by real receivables, not another bank loan application, but on-chain capital that moves the moment the invoice is verified. This is Stealth, Tokenized Invoice Liquidity Vault, a real-fi platform where SME tokenize invoice to get liquidity in 24 until 48 hours, while investors earn yield backed by real economic activity deployed on Mentor Network. The AI engine validates every invoice, mean it as an ERC-721 NFT and route it to a registered vault automatically. No loan officer, no 3-day wait. Stats up to 80% advance rate. 4 until 25% APU for investor, 3 vault tiers, 100% on-chain, variable on Mental Explorer. Stealth runs in 4 layers. Monitor, SME uploads an invoice. Tesseract OCR extract the data. The AI engines cross-validates buyer, amount, and due date. Evaluate, the risk engine contract scores the invoice from 0 to 100%, classifying it into prime, growth, or emerging vault. Decide, Vault Manager locks the liquidity, means the invoice NFT to the SME wallet, and calculates the advance and yield rate. Execute, funds released to the SME, repayment on invoice maturity flow back to investor. Every action written on-chain. This is Stealth in action, a live invoice submission on Mental Testnet. State 1, invoice uploaded, 50,000 US dollar receivable, due in 60 days. AI score it's 22. Prime vault 80% advance approved. Funds queue. State 2. Score climbs to 45. Growth vault assignment 75% advance, 8 until 12% APU yield lock for the investor pool. State 3. Score hit 72. Emerging vault 70% advance at 25% API. Invoice NFT minted and transferred to SME wallet in one transaction. Final state, SME received liquidity within 24 hours of submission. Every action timestamp and variable on Mental Explorer right now. Every invoice Stealth process adds to its on-chain risk data. The model gets sharper, default rate drops, investor confidence compounds. The system builds trust with every transaction it closes. Stealth turns invoice into liquidity before the bank finishes the paperwork.